Hello everyone, today I want to show you how our offline job matching system organizes job listings. When user wants to see jobs from lowest to highest salary, our system uses a simple but clever algorithm called selection sorts. So what is selection sorts? Selection sort is a basic sorting algorithm that repeatedly finds the minimum element and places it at the beginning. Here are 5 jobs with their salary. Notice the random order. Engineering 45,000, doctor 65,000, teacher 25,000, police 28,000, nurse 30,000. Our goal is to arrange them from lowest to highest salary. This is where selection sorts comes in. This is the exact code from our job system. Let's break it down step by step. Key components: I, current position being filled, min index position of minimum salary found, J, scanning pointer for comparisons, swap, moves elements to correct position. The algorithm works by repeatedly finding minimum element and moving it to the beginning of the unsorted portion. Starting position 0. Engineering 45,000. We assume the first job has the minimum salary. This is our starting point for the search. Min index is equal 1 is equal I equal 0. Comparing engineering with doctor. Doctor has a higher salary. 65,000 is greater than 45,000, right? So min index stays at 0. Engineering means our current minimum candidate. Comparing engineering with teacher, 25,000. Teacher has lower salary. 25,000 is less than 45,000. Update min index equal to teacher becomes our new minimum candidate. Continue comparing with remaining jobs. Compare teachers 25,000 with police na 28,000. Small teacher is smaller. Compare teacher with nurse. Teacher is smaller also. Teacher remains the minimum among all unsorted jobs. Swap teacher and engineering. After finding the minimum, we swap it with the job at position 0. Teacher is now in its correct sorted position. Move to position 1. Now, doctor at position 1 after swap. We need to find the minimum salary starting from position 1. So, I equals 1. Min index is equal 1. Assuming doctor is the minimum. Start comparing with remaining unsorted jobs. Comparing unsorted jobs, doctor 60,000 is greater than engineering na 45,000. Engineering is greater than police 28,000. Now we found new minimum. Police is less than nurse 30,000. Police na 28,000 is the minimum at index 3. So swap the police and the doctor. Police is now in its correct sorted position. Current sorted portion. Teacher, police, unsorted portion, engineering, nurse, doctor. Move to position 2, engineering at position 2. We need to find the minimum among remaining jobs. Engineering, nurse, doctor. Engineering, 45,000 is greater than nurse, 30,000. Found the minimum, a new minimum. Nurse, 30,000 is less than doctor's 60,000. Nurse, 30,000 is the minimum at index 4. So the nurses will go to index 3. Index 2. Final swap completed. The final swaps completed. Nurse, 30,000. Swap to engineering. Engineering is already in correct position. Doctor, 6,000 is the last and largest salary. All jobs are now sorted. Final order: teacher, police, nurse, engineering, doctor.